I have another perspective for you today about how to use my Christmas kits as a gift for someone. So when I showed you my version of the paper bag kit for the Christmas traditions, I actually personally did this study, and I left myself enough room, even though I needed papers in some of them, to do all of my notes. Well, if you wanted to give this as a gift, look at this version that my friend made. Such a great idea. So she put the cards in there in the pockets, and she copied individually the different topics, like the legend of St. Nicholas, generosity and giving. And she gave what I give you in the Bible study and put it right in there on the card. So now you can give this as a gift, and somebody could actually do the Bible study on their own. So in every one of them, she's got that part. So I just wanted to share that really great idea to turn this into a truly unique gift that really can minister and cause people to slow down and stop and think about, why do we have these Christmas traditions? And where is Christ in those Christmas traditions? I just wanted to share that with you today.